I hate throwing away good wood. So today, he turned the IPL of leftovers into this coat rack. Some maple rails from the stall bars project last week, some oak from our previous MTB swivel rack build, and a couple of small pieces of walnut and teak. That's more than enough to put together a coat rack. Since the hook pieces will be cut shorter later, I decided to sand and finish the wood beforehand. Sanding and applying the hard wax oil while the wood is still in long pieces saves a lot of work later. The rotating side of the wood and hooks is cut at 45 degrees, and the hook side is cut at 30 degrees. I use the miter saw and the table saw to make those cuts. Oak tends to burn a little when cutting, but the smell is actually pretty nice. Next, I key in up the edges with H1 router. Now I can cut the hooks to their final width. The axle is a simple brass rod. To polish it, I clamp it in adro and sand a progressive line up to 400 grit. My homemade drill jig keep all 27 hooks perfect lie center. Let's install one first. Looks good. So installing oval row should work just fine. Cut off the excess brass rod. And mount it on the wall. The grain flows outward from the center. Not only does it look good, it's also very practical.